Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message.
Hey girl, I know this is last minute, but we're heading to New York, so let's do a little girls trip. Uber's gonna be there in 20 minutes, so pack your bags.
Okay, hello guys. As you can see, I'm in New York City. So, this is a very random last minute trip, but listen, we gotta do what we gotta do because first of all, it's 2026, first video of 2026. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been so consistent in 2025. No, I'm gonna try again this year for I don't know how many times it has been my goal. But listen, I'm here, okay? Anyways, I'm here for my friend's birthday. And as you can see, we're staying at a very cutesy vibes hotel. The view is insane. It's really nice. Yeah, so now I'm kind of hungry and I'm the first one to be here because I took the bus and they're just arriving here around 8. So we got some time to kill, people. And I got here, it was early. The arrival time was early. So we have some time to waste. I'm hungry. Maybe let's go walk around before it's dark and maybe grab some food, a little snack before they get here. But I think I'm gonna jump in the shower and then put a little makeup on to be cutesy vibes because tell me why. I am crusty dusty getting off 8-hour bus ride. I slept, I worked, Now I get up and I come over here and I'm walking outside and what do I see? It's not my first time in New York, I know there's some baddies here. What is going on? Friday, 4 p.m. at every corner, baddie. Everybody looked like they were a model coming off a shoot. I'm so confused what's going on. I'm I want to give that too, I want to give that too, so I'm gonna go do that. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I was about to get ready, but then I just realized that I have a meeting with a potential client in a few minutes. So I'm gonna wait on that. I totally forgot about that. I also packed pretzels that I didn't eat. So I guess I'll snack on that for now, because there's a bunch. The prices are there. I'm we pay for this room and the snacks aren't even included. Why are you just teasing me? Why are you putting it there? I feel for the price of the room we should at least get the snacks included. No, this is bare minimum. I could get this at the dollar store. Also, I need to figure something out with this hair, man, because why is there no volume? It's just flat. And you know what? I can't be complaining because I've struggled for years to when I straighten it, it wouldn't be flat. It would be it would be poofy instead. Now that I nailed that down and my new iron is actually perfect for that, now there's just no volume, so I need to figure something out because what is this? Last time that we checked, it was, yeah.
Valentine, woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, woo. Yeah, 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 woo, woo, yeah.
Guys, I just went on a rant on how the last time I was in New York, someone threatened to shoot us. And it didn't record anything. Why? Guess why? Please do, because we all know what it is. Storage full. It's always the same shit. Always the same shit. This is why I don't vlog, because it always says storage full. So can somebody buy me a camera or something? Because I'm so done filming on my phone. Guys, oh my gosh. I hope you guys cannot see it. Oh my gosh. Testing my patience. Really fucking testing. Okay. Guys, I look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's giving baddie. And then I try to take pictures. I tried to film TikToks and I'm like, why is it fine in the mirror? And then as soon as the camera's on, it's not fine. No. I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair because, is there still water in here? This is my new iron. Ah, there's no more water. There's no more water. Did I bring water? I did not bring water to put inside. We need special water. Can't just put the robinet water. Okay guys, so the girls just got here, but they have to get ready and the reservation's not until like 10. So I'm probably gonna try and redo my hair because it just didn't work. But I don't have to do that right now because that, like, it'll take me like 5 minutes to get ready. So I'm like, I'll just let them get ready. We still have 2 hours to waste. Guys, I'm hungry. So I'm going to go explore what's up in this hotel. So it says there's a spa, a founder's room, a lobby. There's a bar, there's a restaurant, a pool, a gym, and other stuff. So let's go explore. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. Like, I could not, like, guys, look at how I'm dressed. I thought it was gonna be like a little buffet with like snacks or whatever. You guys, insert clip. This, I didn't even want to go further. That was me zooming in because I was like, I'm not walking near that place. Oh, chic, this luxury lounge music playing. I was like, I cannot walk in there. I have my Uggs on. Like, I'm not walking in there. Then I'm trying to get the elevator to be working. It's not working. I'm just standing there in my sweats and I'm like, then a guy comes by and he's like, you have to select your floor before scanning your card. I was like, that's not what the guy told me earlier. My gosh. Now I'm like, these are our options. Like, I'm so stupid. Wait. These are the options. I'm like, do we try something else? I'm scared of going here because if it's still fancy, maybe this, or maybe this is where I went, but I didn't see the pool. What the hell? Alua is here, the birthday girl. Woo! We're off to dinner, y'all. Look how beautiful she is. Gorgeous birthday girl. Thank you.
Hey, we gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up. Hey, boom, so we acting too bold. Take up. Hey, hope you ready for the next episode. Hold up. Hey, boom, so we thinking we all we gon'. Hey, we gon' rock it till the wheels fall off. Hold up. Hey, boom, so we acting too bold. Take up. Hey, hope you ready for the next episode. Hey.
Guys, I don't even know what's going on at this point of the night. I don't. Is it? It's 3 a.m. now. It's 3 a.m.
Ничего страшного, все хорошо.
Can I tell you something though? At this point, you know more than me because you are deciding where to go.
So there's Giovanni speaking. But yeah. Guys, we made it back to the hotel. I didn't vlog for like a hot minute because we were gone. Honestly, we were gone. We went to like 3 different places. Now I'm ready for bed because it's 4 a.m. past my bedtime by far. So look at the supermodel, Victoria's Secret new angel.
I'm so drunk.
I don't know. The 2 other girls are already sleeping. We're just, I don't know what we're doing still out.
We need to take pictures here.
Here? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna take pictures now.
I'm so drunk. Like extra drunk.
I can't wait to be in bed. I can't wait. Rough morning, y'all. Rough morning. But the sleep was good. The bed was actually comfortable. We are out and about, guys. We're now gonna go eat breakfast. We're lost. Okay guys, so we got almond croissants because Dudley's is full right now, so we're grabbing coffee and croissant because we're too hungry. We're too hungry. Guys, you have no idea how I've been waiting for this. Like, I've been thinking about this for a hot minute. Okay guys, so we just finished eating. It was very good. I love this place. I've been multiple times. Every time I come to New York, I actually come here, and it was very good. So now that I'm full and able to fully function, I think we're gonna go do some like walking around in Soho, maybe shopping, I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about yesterday because like I didn't really say anything. We just went to this restaurant, and then after that we got invited to like so many places, like after parties and everything, but I was like not really comfortable going to like a random guy's penthouse or whatever. I don't even know what it was. I didn't even ask where. So we just ended up going to like another bar, and then with like Italians that we met, I don't know, and then we did another bar, and yeah, we ended up going home at like 4:30 a.m. New Yorkers are partying way longer than people in Montreal, I'm telling you, because like I was like, I don't even know how I'm still awake. But I think we're gonna take it easy tonight because somebody got sick, so you guys won't believe what's happening. The vlog is ending, guys. This is over. We're going back home. Like, this is Snowstorm. Like, yeah, let's do that. So, guys, trip is ending. Not even 48 hours in freaking New York. Like,
Happy birthday to me!
like, what is going on? Like, they said a snowstorm is coming, so like all their flights got canceled. I still have my bus, but I'm like, they're saying there might be a power outage. People are going into like the grocery stores buying everything. So I'm like a little freaked out, and like they're like scared some people will freeze to death. So they're like, oh, our fire department is on duty, blah blah blah. We opened the news, like the girls came knocking, and they were like, girls, open the news. And I was like supposed to stay here because I was like, I'm just gonna take my bus. I don't want to cancel it. After seeing the news and everything, I'm not saying I'm scared. No. Like, this is unbelievable. I'm so confused. And also, as soon as I saw they named the storm, excuse me? Fern is coming. Fern is coming, y'all. I'm not staying for Fern. I can't believe this is happening. Like, this is so ridiculous. Like, they're like, it's still on the news. I can hear it. It's like they're making it so dramatic. Like, someone's like, we're dying. Like, third world war is coming up. Like, yeah, no, I think it was a good decision that I got my ticket for today with you guys, just in case. Imagine nothing happens and like we could have been staying in New York chilling, and they were just being dramatic. You guys see? It's still on the news. Like, he just said power. He's talking about power. Anyways, I'm gonna miss this bed. This bed was comfortable. I had a great night. We're going to eat pizza because we need to eat before this 8-hour ride overnight. So it's the time.
Valentine. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.